We all know one. The passive-aggressive coworker. The friend who hides insults inside compliments. The boss who treats your anxiety like a fun little game. When they attack you, what does your brain do? It screams at you, "Fight back!" So you argue, you explain, you get emotional. And somehow, you look like the crazy one. Here is the brutal truth about toxic people. They do not want a solution. They want a reaction. Your anger, your tears, your frustration, that is their oxygen. But what happens when you cut off the oxygen? What happens when you give them absolutely nothing? Welcome to Barely Psychology. Today, we're going to teach you how to destroy the game entirely. Behavior number 1, the 4-second stare. Toxic people rely on speed. They drop a rude comment and expect you to immediately scramble or awkwardly laugh. Do not break the tension. Let it sit there. Look them directly in the eyes. Count to 4 in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not blink. Do not smile. Just look at them like you are watching a confused pigeon trying to solve a math problem. Silence is heavy, and human beings are psychologically wired to hate awkward silence. By not speaking, you force them to carry the weight of their own stupid comment. 99% of the time, they will nervously backpedal. You just took complete control of the room. Behavior number 2, the gray rock method. Imagine you see a gray rock on the ground. Do you yell at it? Do you try to manipulate it? No, because it's boring. You need to become that rock. Narcissists are emotional vampires. They poke you to see if you bleed. Just give them the gray rock. Shrug slightly and say, "I'm fine." Keep your face flat. When a vampire realizes there is no blood here, they will eventually leave. Behavior number 3, the physical pivot. Communication isn't just words. 55% of it is body language. When a toxic person is trying to dominate you, they will get in your space and force eye contact. Do not give them your full attention. Keep your body pointed at your computer. Turn only your head. Nod slowly. When they finish, say, "Got it," and turn back to your screen. You are silently telling them, you are not a threat. You are barely an interruption. Behavior number 4, the deliberate delay. We live in a world of instant replies. Toxic people use this to trap you. They send an aggressive text at 10 p.m., expecting you to ruin your night defending yourself. Stop answering on their timeline. Read the message. Put your phone down. Go make a cup of tea. Watch a movie. Reply exactly 24 hours later. And when you do reply, do not send a paragraph. Send 2 words. Noted. Thanks. The silence is pure torture for a manipulator. You own your time, not them. Behavior number 5, taking notes. People who gaslight love to twist reality. They say one thing on Monday, and on Wednesday they scream, "I never said that." Next time they start a toxic rant, do not argue. Just pull out a notebook and a pen. Look down and start writing. Say, "I'm just documenting your feedback so I don't forget." Watch how fast their tone changes. Bullies operate in the shadows. When you silently document their behavior, you shine a bright light on them. They will become very careful. Behavior number 6, selective deafness. Toxic people love to drop bait. It's a passive-aggressive comment mumbled under their breath, designed to make you snap. Do not take the bait. Treat the comment like a pop-up ad on a sketchy website. Ignore it. If you literally pretend you did not hear it, you force them to drop it. Behavior number 7, relaxing the jaw. When you feel threatened, your body prepares for a fight. Your jaw clenches, your shoulders hike up. Toxic people are looking for these signs of fear. You must master your physical silence. When they try to provoke you, drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, take a slow, deep breath. Relax. When a predator tries to scare its prey and the prey just sits there comfortably, the predator gets confused. Calmness in the face of chaos is incredibly intimidating. Behavior number 8, the walk away. Society teaches us that walking away means you lose. That is a lie. Getting the last word in an argument with a fool just proves there are two fools. You do not owe toxic people an explanation. If someone is disrespecting you, simply stand up. Say, "We can continue this when you are respectful." And turn your back. Do not slam the door. Walk away calmly, like you were leaving a really boring movie. The walk away is the ultimate flex. You are the CEO of your own life, and you just fired them. Listen carefully. Silence is not weakness. Silence is a weapon. Toxic people are drowning in their insecurities. Your words are the life preserver. Stop throwing it to them. You do not need to roar to prove you are a lion. Let the monkeys scream in the trees. The next time someone tries to ruin your day, just remember the gray rock. Be the rock. It's barely psychology, but it works.